Listín Diario editorial for July 28th of 2022. Don't spoil the dialogue. Disappointing and unjustifiable has been the police outrage against the directors of the Dominican Medical Association, who yesterday went to carry out a peaceful protest in front of the National Palace. That protest was called to make clear to the authorities the union's claim for more hospitals and refurbishment of those that are in precarious situation. It also included the request to improve the salaries and working conditions of nurses. The outrage was unnecessary because there has been an open channel between the government and the Dominican Medical Association for the discussion of these issues, and precisely one of those meetings took place on the eve of this incident. If the doctors went to the protest in a peaceful tone, exercised a constitutional right that the government itself has respected when it comes to other public demonstrations, the use of police force did not make sense, which in fact has spoiled this climate of talks. Just at the wrong time, because a COVID pandemic, dengue outbreaks, and the confirmed presence of the monkeypox are weighing down on the country, which required a combined effort by health authorities and doctors so as not to harm the health care of the citizens. Dialogue must be reestablished, from which both parties have taken mutual advantage, since specific problems have been resolved, including salary issues and a continuous service of attention to cases of COVID and other diseases has been maintained. Patients cannot be exposed to neglect of their needs, and this country cannot afford to see its hospital services paralyzed, even if they are not entirely optimal. The parties must now return to dialogue, a framework in which they have been able to understand each other and reach agreements in favor of the professional class, and in fact, in favor of the public health. For Listín Diario, voiceover and translations by Indira Rodriguez.